Have you been in a situation when you're on the go and you need to take your pills? One problem is they might be in a plastic bag in your purse or your pocket. And how do you know what you've taken? If you take multiple doses, it's even harder to remember. Maybe there's a better way. So I've got something here that can help you track your medications when you're not at home. It's called the Pill Popper Go, and it's made right here in the USA. Let's look a little closer and see how it works. First, let's check out the case. It's discreet, compact, and secure, but not childproof. It's discreet, so it won't draw attention like a traditional pill box. The case is 4 inches wide, 3 inches tall, and 3/4 inches deep, enough to hold large tablets. This latch keeps it secure so your pills are safe and they don't fall out when you're carrying them. The case also keeps pills from being crushed. To open, just flip up the latch. To close, flip it down till you hear the click. It's also dishwasher safe. Let's look at the inside. Flip it open and you'll see it has 3 marked compartments and 3 overflow compartments to help keep the pills separate. Look at these red buttons. They're called sliders, and they'll help you track the day and each dose. Across the top, you'll see the days of the week. Push the slider over to the current day of the week until you feel the click. Below the days of the week, you'll see the dosage sliders, 0 through 3. Move these sliders before taking your pills for dosage 1, 2, and 3 as needed. Now let's see how this works. Let's say it's Wednesday. If your tracker's on Tuesday, you'll need to move the dose sliders back to 0. Now slide the day to Wednesday and your dose to 1. Do this for each pill compartment used and take your pills. You can track up to 3 doses as needed. I find it helps if I always move my dosage tracker before taking my pill. That way I don't have to second guess myself. Now for some tips and tricks. This little hole is where you can attach a name tag if you have more than one Pill Popper Go for your family. This is the top of the case. You can tell by the square design, so you won't accidentally open it up and spill the pills out. Also note the latch is attached to the top of the case. If you only have 1 dose a day, you can just move the day of the week before you take your medication and always leave the dose on 1. With 6 different compartments, there's a lot of ways to use the Pill Popper Go. You can fill up the whole thing with 1 medication and use it as backup pills you leave in your car or bag. You can use your overflow compartments to store ibuprofen, acid reducer, or allergy medication to take when needed. You can even use compartments 1 and 2 to keep AM and PM doses and supplements organized for just a day trip. If for some reason your Pill Popper Go won't close, the days of the week tracker is probably between 2 days. It also could be because your pills are stacked too high. Adjust the slider to line up on the marks below the day of the week and secure the latch. As a final tip, you can make the case waterproof by putting it in a zip-tight bag. Let me share a quick customer review. I take 2 daily supplements and I love how the tracking in the Pill Popper Go makes me more accountable and consistent with taking my doses. It's so easy to have in my computer bag and always within reach. I'd also like to share a personal experience. I went on an overnight trip and the Pill Popper Go was so helpful. It fit in my pocket and I didn't have to take my pill organizer. It stored my AM and PM medications and supplements. I would recommend you try the Pill Popper Go yourself. You can get it at Amazon.com, Walmart.com, or PillPopper.com.